Hi everyone, I'm Shalini Seth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial for Karwa Chauth which I taught to my student in online class. As you can see, I have applied corrector. Now I am covering this corrector with Kryolan D4 base. I can even cover this corrector with a foundation that is one shade above my skin tone. The foundation that I use for my skin tone is lighter, and this is MAC foundation which is darker than my skin tone foundation. I can use a darker foundation also to cover the corrector, but the coverage is less. If you use concealer, it will give you more coverage. Now I am applying MAC loose powder on my under eye area. In this video I want to show the difference in synthetic eyelashes and natural hair mink eyelashes, 5D eyelashes basically, that are from Vioni Ballet, and I really want to show the difference practically. Now I will do my eyebrow first, that is with Anastasia Dibro, and I really prefer this. The pigment with Anastasia Dibro is really very natural. I'm using this base from Kryolan. This is D4 shade, and because we have to prime our area, make a base to do our eyeshadow and eye makeup, that is really very important, very compulsory to show your eyeshadows pigmented. I'm using this crease brush and it is also from Vioni Ballet. I really use Vioni Ballet brushes that are really very high end but are available at a reasonable price. This you can go and buy on Amazon also, and for their website I will give their link in my description also. These brushes are really very high end but at a reasonable price, and the hair is very natural, which really avoid wasting the product. If you go for cheap brushes or I don't know, so many brushes are available in the market that is really very cheap, and their prices is also very cheap, but they are not worth it. Don't waste your money on those brushes, because makeup brushes are specially designed to do makeup that will use your product more on your skin. I'm going to make a video on different brushes that is available in the market, and I really want to show you difference practically for the brushes that are available in the market, and I want to show you the effect in the makeup with professional makeup brushes and normal makeup brushes. There is so much difference in the brushes here, because some here, if you go for cheap brushes, that is really very reasonable, and I don't know they are worth it or not, but the product got absorbed into the brushes and they don't come onto your skin. But I have used this Vioni Ballet brushes. These brushes are excellent. The product does not get absorbed in the brushes here, and the more product come on your skin, and this is really very good. There are so many makeup tools available in the market, but if you really want to become a professional makeup artist, you have to use professional makeup tools. You have to play with professional makeup tools. That is a key for successful makeup artist. I am applying this highlighter with a setting spray with NYX on my brow bone, on my inner corner. Now I am blending my highlighter with my eyeshadow with a lighter shade. I will do my eyelashes in the last. This is a green corrector I use for pimples. Now I am blending my foundation with a latex free foundation blender. Always keep in mind, when you go for shopping a blender, you should only ask for a latex free foundation blender. This is really very soft and good quality. I will continue with the contouring, and I will show you how I have blended this contouring There is a difference between blending and taking product out. Blending is just to leave an impression on your skin that you have applied something. You don't need to take out product, you have to just dab so that the product get absorbed into your skin and it would look natural. If you have any query, you can follow me on Instagram. I will give my Instagram ID in the description box, and please follow me on Instagram because I am going to give free makeup classes on my Instagram ID. In my IGTV, I am giving free makeup classes. So for this, you have to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. I will give the link of my Facebook page and my Instagram in description. For more updates, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And to buy all the product, I will give you website link also. If you want to purchase our course, that is really very reasonable. We are giving our course and makeup brushes at a very reasonable price. Now I am going to show you these Vioni Belle eyelashes. These are natural mink hair. If you see these eyelashes, this is natural mink hair eyelashes and this is synthetic eyelashes. If I am not able to show you, it's better I show it here. Yes, if you see, these are looking natural hair and this is a plastic which can do side effects on your eyes, and this is natural hair. See, it will not hurt your eyes because it is made by natural hair and a cotton band. You have to put a glue on this cotton band and it's done. Never skip this step if you are doing your bridal or you are doing professional makeup on your client. Never skip kajal on your upper eyelash line. I hope you are liking this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel because I will not stop giving you this information and this makeup videos tutorial in this channel. I'm doing the same step which I did on my upper lash line area. Blending is really very important, otherwise your makeup will look patchy. If you want to learn professionally, you can buy our courses on TechLab Online Academy. If you are living far away, you can learn online also, and if you are living in Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad, Indrapuram, Vaishali, you can come to our studio also and learn. If you will learn online, there would be no problem because online also we are teaching in the same way that we are teaching offline. I am using this Chambord lip pencil. You should not go for high-end lip pencils because lip pencil has very less load. But for bridal makeup or for a client, I would suggest you high-end lipsticks, lip stains or lipsticks, because it should not be transferable, it should be waterproof, it should be long lasting, long stay. I am using this Smashbox lipstick. This is a nude shade as because I have applied dark makeup on my eyes. And I am going to apply a red bindi also, that's why I am doing my lips little nude. This is Makeup Revolution blush palette and this is my favorite palette as I have already so many blush palette, but still I always prefer to use this palette only. This is really very good. Now I am done with my makeup and I am showing this look to my student. Hope you also liked it and learn something from this makeup. If you want to join our course, our groups, please DM me on my Instagram, WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.